And she didn't know to tell me she wasn't open her eyes on mine. And fire was burning and burning till it's
I know what's going before she say, and daddy just want her cooperate. Find somebody that's cooperate. The suit and time more appropriate. She said it don't make it not astray, but reggae music is not the place. I can't do it, it's not a place. She need to be behind I hear some woman. I said we won't leave the street. Girl, who she with? More than I did. I don't know what's sleeping. And she know what keep it a secret.
and she didn't know to tell me she wasn't open her eyes on mine. And fire was burning. Characters love when who gets the pipe. Everything will be quite alright. Go post and have the oversight. Just close and smoke inside. Let's one line our own county. Jamaica have some good sense. So if you want the yes, don't need to stress. I want to know I've been working on it. This week I'm waiting for. Give me the blood on the rolling paper. And forget I like a bird. I like a sky. But tell us, Friday evening at this week I'm waiting for. Give me the blood on the rolling paper. And forget I like a plane. I like a skyscraper. Christians will testify. No girls got to do right. Urban laws need to rectify. Full time better than legalize. I go down Westmoreland now on the county. Kingston and some good say. So if you want the honest, no need to stress. All you want to do. I've been working all day. This week we try to the merchant ships. Help me, minutes after gate to come. From the bottomless pit, but my hands remain strong. By the hands of the Almighty, we forward in this generation. Triumphant true, won't you hear to sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever have. Redemption songs. What's it say? Redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy. As later till the cornerstone of time. How long shall they kill our prophets? Lord, one more time. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Zion's train is coming. Zion's train is coming. So people, get on board. Zion training Zion training strong.
Visionary. Bob was a teacher. Bob was a man filled with love for his people. This is why when Bob died, he went as a sacrifice because of the love that he has for his people. But you know, we're looking at Jamaica right now, and we see how much we have advanced in technology. We have advanced in so many things. I mean, you want to send a letter to New Zealand, and you just click the email and you just press send, and when you look, you see it said done. It's done. But are we loving each other? Very much, no, to fight. Many say that they are brothers, sisters.
It's not a feel they can control of me. Now my body is in trouble. It's you that I need. Yeah. Is it not your walk or is it not your talk? Is it not your smile that makes me come? I wanna know what it is about you. You're Thomas. Every little thing that I is searching for. Girl, I see it in you. You're mine. Every little day, every little way, every single night I pray that you'll be there for me. Woman, it doesn't matter anyway now, 'cause my love for you will never change. Tell me emancipation for Maria. When push comes to shove, then everybody's gonna put the blame on me for loving you, for loving you. When push comes to shove, then everybody's gonna put the blame on me. I have your number in my diary. Soon as I get home, it has been changed.